Simple ingredients, bold flavors. This Chana Dal Fry is comfort food at its best. Let's make it today in the new Philips OneChef. Press the power button, select curry mode followed by Tadka Preset and press start. To the cooking pot, add ghee. Once it's hot, add a bay leaf, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns and saute for a minute. Add hing, garlic, ginger, onion and saute for 3 more minutes. Now add haldi, degi red chili powder, coriander powder, jeera powder and cook for about 2 minutes. Add tomatoes and cook for 4 minutes until soft. Press the power button again, select curry mode followed by sambar Chana Dal Preset. Set the time for 50 minutes on high heat and press start. To the same tadka, add the soaked chana dal, water, salt to taste and give it a good mix. Cover it with a special glass lid and let cook for about 50 minutes or until it's cooked. Once done, finish it off with fresh dhania and give it a final stir. Serve hot with roti or naan. Simple घर का खाना लेकिन स्वाद बिल्कुल लाजवाब. Made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.